For the last few years, most businesses have been driving their AI strategy by looking in the rearview mirror. They're using AI to write blog posts or summarize emails. That was 2024. In 2026, that landscape has shifted. We aren't just seeing better models out there, we're seeing a convergence of 5 critical acceleration drivers that turn AI from a tool into a teammate. If you want to know why 2026 is the breakout year for enterprise AI, you need to understand these 5 pillars. Pillar number 1, reasoning by default. In 2025, only 7% of AI queries use reasoning models. Today, it's become the standard. Old models were chatbots, and they predicted the next word. New models are thought partners. They reason, they plan, and they course correct. So instead of just giving you an answer, they kind of give you a strategy. They don't just write the email, they ask you why you're sending it. They should be asking you that. Pillar number 2, Agentic Scaffolding. This is the invisible layer that turns AI from passive to active. Models now have hands and feet, so to speak. They don't just output text, they autonomously decide when to browse the web, when to write code, and when to use computer vision. They execute multi-step workflows like planning a business trip or auditing a code base without you holding their hand at every step. Pillar number 3, frictionless data integration. Remember when RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation, required a team of engineers and vector database? Not anymore. Now RAG is one click. You just connect your Google Drive, your Outlook, and your CRM and other data in seconds. The AI is going to index that enterprise data, instantly giving you grounded truth and reducing that risk of hallucination. It knows your business because it reads your mail. Pillar number 4, exponential task endurance. This is the metric that should scare and excite you at the same time. We track effective horizon, right? How long a model can work autonomously without losing the plot. In 2024, it was minutes. Today, top models can complete the equivalent of 5 to 10 hours of expert human work in a single session. We're approaching the point where an AI can take on a month-long project like writing a software module or a financial report and finish it in an afternoon. Pillar number 5, economically meaningful output. This is the bottom line. On the new GDP value benchmark, which tests AI against real-world tasks in law, finance, and engineering, AI models are now achieving a 74% win-tie rate against human experts. They are creating legal briefs, engineering schematics, and financial models that are indistinguishable from expert human work. And they are doing it 11 times faster at less than 1% the cost. The conclusion? The gap between what AI can do and how you're using it has never been wider. If you're still using AI as a search engine, you're leaving a massive piece of value on the table. And it's time to shift your mindset, and it's time to stop managing tasks and start managing agents to do those tasks for you. I'm Sandeep, and that's Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.